Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about what materials about. Let me see the subscribe. Okay, the untitled is the difference between boss and leaders. For today, I not mention the character, who is the boss, who is the leader, but we must compare what is the boss, what is the leader. Okay, number one, leader are compassionate. Compassionate is mean that inspire. We call it saya penyayang. Impersonal is mean that if you are boss, you are impersonal. What is that? The general, attitude like that. Not change, not innovative, not creative, only that. You keep only, you play with the, what is that? We call that, in comfort zone, not change. Ya, in Indonesia katakanlah kalau kamu enak ya tetap kamu melakukan seperti itu. Misalnya tidak mau perubahan, not inovative, not creative. But if you have the leader attitude, leader attitude is compassionate, adalah penyayang, bukan sayang atau sayang segala macam. Itu adalah bagaimana memperlakukan seseorang itu dengan sangat manusiawi. Ya, that is your first character or is the lead. Okay, the character number two is leader are impulsive. It's something like this. Says I. Says I is boss, but leader is says we. Yeah, it's me like that. If you have a boss, you have what you have boss, you will set I have I have I this is my job, yeah, because there's something like this. You work in one team, but your boss say, hey, this is my job, this is my masterpiece, this is my what is that, my worksheet and the others. The boss will say I, but if leader, you will see we, our team, yeah, our job, our presentation. Nah, contohnya seperti itu. Kalau kamu menjiwa leader, tapi kalau jiwa bos seperti tadi, I. Pokoknya kamu punya karakter bos itu ya I, semua tuh saya gitu. Saya yang juara, saya yang nggak mau mendengarkan orang lain. Itu karakter bos. So, the characteristic number three is leaders don't micromanage. Micromanage is what should I call Indonesia is bagai katak dalam tempurung, tidak mau maju. Cukup begitu saja. Cukup, I think it's enough for me. Nah, biasa seperti itu. Tidak mau ubah target. Oh ya kalau bos itu ya sudahlah gitu aja. Tidak mau untuk belajar lagi. You will not stay. What's that? Not study again. It's enough you learn from this campus gitu. Nah, but the leader is delegate. You delegate someone, you delegate yourself. That is your leader. Delegate someone, your team misalnya. Udah kamu belajar lagi ke sana. Kita akan belajar lagi. Itu namanya adalah karakter seorang leader. Ya. Okay. Next is ya. Yeah, this is the leaders earn respect ya. Pokoknya kalau leader itu earn respect, dia akan selalu respect pada seorang gitu loh. If you are a leader, maybe in next time you will be go to the what is that principal, you get the headmasters dan lain-lain gitu. Kamu jadi kepala sekolah atau menjadi manajer, itu kamu harus respect pada orang. Tapi kalau bos itu instant fear, ditakut, takut aja gitu. Jadi kamu udah mencetak dengan kamu tuh harus ditakuti sama orang lain. Nah itu namanya adalah bos. Tapi kalau leader is different, earns respect. Kalau bos inspires fear, ketakutan. Bagaimana setiap orang menghadapnya untuk if you to be a manager, if you to be a state boss gitu kan, no. To be manager, director, or principal in the school, you will earn respect to the others. Ya, bagaimana seseorang misalnya say the opinion atau misalnya kalau di dalam kelas you are teacher, inspire fear, ketakutan. Jadi si murid tidak tahu untuk bertanya, tidak mau untuk mengungkapkan mengungkapkan katakanlah bertanya, mengungkapkan opininya, nggak mau pokoknya karena kamu sudah inspired the fear. But if leader, you earns respect. You earn respect, you earn ke orang tuh mendengarkan. You will listen to the other body, to someone, their suggestion, their opinion, and their question. You will ask one by one and clearly. Okay, that is good leader. So the five is, if you're boss, you are use people. Misalnya kamu kerja berkelompok, you are in group, you will use people. Oke, kamu kerjakan, kamu kerjakan. Tapi kalau kamu timnya sukses, it's my job. Nah, itu namanya use people. Tapi if you are leader, you will develop people. You will, what is that we call that? You will ask some people, okay, let's go. We learn together. Yeah, we learn together. We study together. And then we'll take the result together. Nah, itu namanya adalah leader. Ketimbang dari pada boss people. And then next one is leader said let's go. Nah, different is says go. Boss itu will says go, pergi gitu kan. Itu namanya boss. Makan segala macam. Itu boss menyuruh kalau itu. Tapi kalau saya let's go, you will join a team. Ya. Kalau go, timnya aja yang pergi. Kamu nggak pergi, kamu diam. Tapi kalau say let's go, that is let's go is you will what is that? You will you will go together with your team. Ya, oke, gitu. Tapi kalau bisa bos ya go aja kamu pergi, aku di sini. Itu bos. Tapi kalau misalnya leader, let's go. You will join with them, with your team. That is let's go. And then next is leader the blame and give credit. Kalau bos itu pasti akan mengambil kredit atau mengambil sesuatu yang menguntungkan. Misalnya timnya sudah bekerja, kamu hanya menguntungkan saja. Karena pasti dalam sebuah perusahaan, misalnya kamu bekerja dalam sebuah perusahaan, dalam setiap tahun ada bonus ya. Bonusnya itu nggak dibagi secara rata ya. Gue yang ada bonus kan gue manajer misalnya kayak gitu. That is tax credit. Tapi if you are really you give credit. Katakanlah in 1 year you and your team get the bonus ya. You get bonus and then take the bonus and then you spare together. All is fair ya. Karena semua itu adalah adil. Misalnya bonus 1 juta, timnya ada 10 orang, kamu bagi semua 10 orang jadi 1 juta. Tapi kalau bos kasar ya, kalau bos itu kau jadi ya kan gue kan bosnya gitu, gue ambil sekolah udah nih 100.000 kamu bagi-bagi aja di situ. Tapi dia nggak kerja apa itu adalah apa ya, tax credit itu apa kalau zaman sekarang tuh ya menentukan bagi dirinya sendiri karena usah. And then nah, that is very important. If you have the leader attitude, it's think long term. Because it thinks short term. Kalau think short term itu misalnya setelah lulus S1, cukuplah saya sudah nanti cari kerja, cari uang, nikah dan segala macam. That is think short term. Ya, think short term. Tapi kalau think long term, dari sekarang sudah mikir, oke, setelah S1, lulus S1 saya harus ikut S2. Setelah S2 insya Allah saya S3. Setelah itu mungkin nanti ada jodohnya, menikah duluan, you get married, and you have a children or what is boys and daughter, and then you still follow your study. Yeah, you will graduate magister, you will get doctoral. That is your boss versus that is a leader. You have a leader attitude. You have boss attitude like that. If still boss attitude ya, short term sudah cukup. Kucing juga seperti itu kan, makan kenyang sudah selesai. Dia memikirkan untuk besok apa lagi. Tapi kalau think long term, you have a best planning for your future. That is leader. Ya, leader are college artinya adalah kalau tim itu tidak ada yang namanya bos, tidak ada namanya atasan, tetap ada. Tapi kalau kerja bareng, kita punya masalah dalam satu tim. Ada di kerja kelompok misalnya, semua presentasi, semua rata, bikin membekasi. Pasti dalam satu tim itu pasti ada saja ya, ada saja yang ya artinya apa namanya, ada sesuatu yang pasti tidak sejalan. Itu that is normal in your team gitu ya. Tapi kalau ini siapa? I boss gitu. Anda you must follow my rules. because I'm your boss. That is different with leader. Nah, itu yang 9. And then the last thing is leader are focused on people. Nah, pokoknya bagaimana you are people are your best asset. Your people, yeah, your team. Maybe example, one day you will be principal, or we call it in kepala sekolah. Kepala sekolah, you treatment your what is that, your teacher, your as a team, yes, the best asset gitu, not your bawahan gitu, nggak seperti saya bos dan segala macam, ya. Tapi semua bos what did that employ how they deserve, right? Bosses are often way to focus on process and don't let their employ take risks and penalties. Pokoknya prosesnya aja bagus, prosesnya bagus. Tiba-tiba nanti ada satu tim, satu orang tentang what Mr. SK, I have what a good idea. No. The best idea is you close the opinion, you close the suggestion from the others. You are boss, but if you're leader, you will listen. You will listen. You will. What is it? Because okay, like okay, I will accept it, and then you will thinking again. That is the best or the bad result for you. Okay. Maybe for me, it's enough for today. So, if you have a question, if you have what is that, something you want to share with, you can join with. Sorry, you can write in what's it, that WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.